welcome to English पाठशाला। आज हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे with the prepositions that we had left. Okay, so now the prepositions of position, right? Position मतलब कि जब हम आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे इस तरीके से जो है हमने कोई जो है दो वर्ड्स को जोड़ना हो, right? So she is sitting behind me. So she is sitting and then behind is the preposition and me. So she is sitting behind me. So behind is the preposition. ठीक है, तो वो जो है जोड़ रही है, she is sitting. So verb and to the pronoun, right? Okay, so now अभी हम सबसे पहले शुरू करेंगे with your above and. So we will do only those prepositions जहाँ आपको confusion होती है, right? So above and over. So these are two, above and over. So both of these almost mean the same. Above मतलब ऊपर and over also means ऊपर, ठीक है। तो above हम कैसे यूज़ करेंगे? जब हमने see you will say that the aeroplane flew above the clouds, ठीक है, above the clouds. Then you say that the policemen above the level of ASI were promoted. Above the level, over the level हम नहीं बोलेंगे। तो जब कोई जब हम एक virtually मतलब anything that is abstract, जिसको हम मतलब abstract मतलब जिसको हम छू नहीं सकते, we can just feel that and we know that it is there, ठीक है, तो हम जो है above use करेंगे। and over मतलब जैसे cover करना, that मतलब कोई physical चीज़ जब हम कह रहे हैं कि keep the box over the almirah or put a blanket over the baby, ठीक है, तो ब्लैंकेट को जो है बच्चे के ऊपर डाल दो. सो हियर इट इज इम्प्लाइंग ओवर एंड देन whenever there is a physical connotation to something then you say over. above आ गया when जो है abstract किसी फॉर्म में आप कह रहे हैं which is referring to a higher position above the level, above 12 years of age, right? Then position है, rank है, or it is in relation to something or somebody. So the aeroplane flew above the cloud, so which is relatively, ठीक है, okay, in comparison, which means okay. Now then we have हम कई बार upon. So upon के साथ भी आप कुछ confuse कर सकते हैं, upon and on को, right? Now upon और on में जैसे the cat was sitting on the chair, ठीक है, the cat was sitting on the chair, so that is all right कि वो जो है chair के ऊपर बैठी थी, right? Now the cat jumped upon the chair. upon मतलब कि jump करके वो जो है उसके ऊपर बैठ गई. So jumped on the chair नहीं बोलेंगे हम, jumped upon the chair. Why? Now there is some action that is going on here, ठीक है, तो जब भी कोई action को साथ हमने रेफर करना हो, यहाँ पे when it was the cat is sitting on the chair, so static है, मतलब कि stationary है cat, कि वो बैठी हुई है. लेकिन जब हम action कोई दिखा रहे हैं, so when there is some motion, ठीक है, so it signifies कि कोई motion हो रही है, कोई action हो रहा है, so verb indicating motion यहाँ पे, so then you will use upon, right? It is just as जैसे हमने in और into का difference किया था. in is for something stationary and into, he jumped into the swimming pool, जहाँ पे action, verb indicating action, so that is upon and on का difference, right? Okay, so now next we come to below. okay, so now below और under में हमको काफ़ी confusion रहता है. again इसका भी जो है डिफरेंस वही है दैट अगर कोई फिजिकली हम फिजिकल रेफरेंस कह रहे हैं कि keep it under the pillow, keep the handkerchief under the pillow, ठीक है, तो हम फिजिकली कि उसको उसके नीचे रख दो. एंड बिलो फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम बोलते हैं बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन, पीपल हु लिव बिलो द पॉवर्टी लाइन, ठीक है, तो अब हम अंडर क्यों? सो एनीथिंग दैट इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट और वर्चुअल, जिसको हम फील कर सकते हैं. और यू कैन से दैट द टेम्परेचर बिलो नॉर्मल, right? Below normal, above now normal, when we refer to the water levels or temperature, right, like that. So this is your for any rank below the rank of DSP, right, like that. So for rank, so similar, jaise above or below, they will be used in the same category. They can be clubbed under the same category, although they are opposites. So जहाँ पर भी हम उसको relevant होगा, and under and over, right? Okay, now among and between, ठीक है. So among and between में भी हमें confusion होता है. So we say that distribute the sweets amongst yourself. Now among and amongst, they mean the same. There is no difference per se. Okay, among and amongst are same. And then we have between. So now between will always be between two persons. Okay, two persons or places, ठीक है. So for example, if we say that distribute the sweets between the two of you, so आप दोनों जो है आपस में बांट लीजिए. Allow distribute the blankets among the poor. So among the poor means a larger number of people. So if it is 3 or 4 people, again you will use among only. But if you have 2 people or places, like he travels a lot between Noida and Gurugram, ठीक है. तो between जहाँ पर भी लगेगा, so there have to be 2 references, right? And then we have like I could not see my friend amongst the crowd, ठीक है. I could not see my friend amongst the crowd. So in the crowd I could not find him amongst the lot of students who were coming out of the examination hall or whatever, right? So this is, so ये major difference है among and among. So 2 persons and more than 2 persons. Between, so when there is a distribution between amongst more than 2 persons. Okay, now so now we come to next is across and through. Okay, so across or through में क्या होता है? Across you say like my school is across the street. So आप यहाँ पे खड़े on the other part of the street. So आप कह रहे हैं कि आप my school is across the street. So मतलब street उसके street के उस पार, right? So across kind of कि जब हम to and fro नहीं है, to and fro नहीं है, but हो भी सकता है. For example, if we say there is a bridge across the river, right? So यहाँ पे हम ये देखेंगे कि 2 dimensionally यहाँ अगर हम कहीं mention कर रहे हैं जो आपको मतलब सामने दिख रहा है, ठीक है. और जो through है, so through is it means across only, but जैसे ये आर पार मतलब I can see across through the window. Through the window मतलब यहाँ से वहाँ और वहाँ से यहाँ. So I can see through the window, ठीक है. And it will be ज़्यादातर जो है आपका through कब होगा? जब कोई enclosed space है, उसमें कोई जो है movement हो रही है. For example, he breathed through the nose. So there's a to and fro movement, right? Or he breathed through the nostrils. Then I could not see him through the window, right? Now they came through the back door. Now across the back door, हमने अब through the back door क्यों? क्योंकि it is a 3-dimensional thing. 3-dimensional मतलब when there is length, breadth and height. तो उसको हम 3-dimensional मतलब जो होता है उसको जो आप एकदम से सामने देख सकते हो, that is 2-dimensional. The dog ran across the road, right? Okay, so this is one way maybe across, and through will be to and fro. But here also, for example, अगर हम जब कह रहे थे कि there is a bridge across the river, so then हम तब उसकी 2-dimensional जो है view से हम उसे देख रहे हैं. When we can see there is not, you will not say there is a bridge over the river, right? So there is a bridge across the river, right? Okay, so next we have is behind and okay, behind we all know, behind is like behind मतलब पीछे. Okay, so he sat behind me. अगर हम कहेंगे he sat beside me, right? So beside would be, beside मतलब मेरे साथ. ओके अगर आपके सामने बैठा है तो आप बोलेंगे इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, बिहाइंड पीछे. तो अगर आपके बिल्कुल यहाँ साथ है सो यू विल से दैट मीन्स एडजेसेंट, मतलब एकदम सटा हुआ. सो देन यू से दैट ही सैट बिसाइड मी, राइट. सो बिसाइड वुड बी एडजेसेंट टू, मतलब के साथ. सो बिसाइड और विद का भी अलग बात होती है. ही सैट विद मी मतलब कि वो मेरे साथ बैठा था, ठीक है. लेकिन बिसाइड मतलब जब हम फिजिकली कह रहे हैं कि वो मेरे एकदम साथ बैठा था, ठीक है. ओके सो नाउ बिहाइंड इज पीछे, बिसाइड मीन्स एडजेसेंट मतलब आपसे सटा हुआ, पीछे और ये आपका सटा हुआ. तो इसमें जैसे देयर वर you say that there were many shops, there are many shops. Okay, so now there are many shops along the road. अब आप कहना चाहते हैं कि सड़क के साथ साथ. So let us just discuss this also, beside and along. तो along होगा जब हमारे पास थोड़ी distance तक जो है कोई, when we are referring to some particular distance. So there were many shops along the road. He walked along the bank of the river. So when we are referring to some distance, a longer distance, so it is in a line next to something which is over a long distance. So for example, when we say there were many shops along the main road, ठीक है. तो हम ये नहीं कहेंगे कि ये सड़क जा रही है तो beside the main road. Beside will when we want to say along, so it would mean that covering a little bit of a distance. So beside और along का ये फर्क है. And then there is another difference which we must clarify, besides. So there is this s. So ये जो है this s जो हम beside के साथ लगाएंगे, this will make a lot of difference. Beside मतलब साथ and besides मतलब अलावा. So besides will mean, तो इसका मतलब हो गया इसके अलावा. So besides cooking I also enjoy reading. So यहाँ पे besides is not a preposition, ठीक है. ये जोड़ता नहीं है, it is a conjunction. Okay, so besides dancing she also enjoys singing, ठीक है. So like this. So besides मतलब इसके अलावा, कोई भी आप mention कर रहे हैं उस चीज़ के अलावा, right. So this is what we have for prepositions. And next time let us plan something new for you. And till the time, please subscribe and please press the bell icon. And don't forget to like, share and comment. And thanks for watching.